In this video, we'll be showing you how we restart our Kindle Paperwhite. Now, the first way we're going to do it is on the very bottom of the Kindle, we have this button here. And if we press and hold this button for about 5 seconds, a menu will pop up on the display. We see on this menu, it gives us the options to cancel, restart, or turn the screen off. We're going to press the restart button. Upon pressing this button, it will begin the restart process, which will take a few minutes. I was honestly surprised at how long this took, but nonetheless, this is an easy way to restart the Kindle. So as we are waiting, we see that screen does disappear, and then we will get a loading bar, which is going to show us the process in which the Kindle is at in the restart. So once it has almost reached the end here, we just wait a little bit more, screen's going blank, and then it will power back on to its usual self. As we see here, this is the normal screen that we are used to, and that is one way to restart it. Another way to restart the Kindle is by opening up that drop-down menu, then clicking on the All Settings button. In the All Settings menu, we're going to want to locate the Device Options tab. Now, upon clicking Device Options, it's going to give us another menu in which we can scroll down until we see the Restart option. Once we push the Restart button, then it will make us confirm that we want to actually restart the Kindle, which we can push right there. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you hit that like and subscribe.